back to this channel. Here we are going to be working on this building drawing question, which is for this year 2025 November GCE. And as we have here, that figure 2 shows the sketch plan of a 3-bedroom bungalow. Study the sketch plan with the given specifications and answer the questions that follow. So this is the sketch plan as we have it here, and on this page we have the specifications. All dimensions are given in millimeters. We have the specifications for foundation, for floor, for roof, for lintel, for beam, for column, for doors, for windows, for roof, and then the questions that we are going to answer are here. Question A says that draw to a scale of 1:100 the Roman figure 1 floor plan, Roman figure 2 left side elevation. Question B says that we have to draw to a scale of 1:50 the sectional view on plane MM, and then we are asked to assume suitable dimensions where unspecified. Alright, so for this particular video we are going to be working on the floor plan, and then the next video we are going to draw the front elevation, though we are not asked to draw the front elevation, but I will draw the front elevation. That's for the next video. Then the third video will be for the main question, that is the left side elevation. Then we have the fourth video, and that will be on the sectional view of the building. Now let's go and work on the plan as we have it here. Alright, so for the plan, we have the sketch plan. So we are going to replicate what we see here first. We are going to draw all these lines, making use of these dimensions, and do not forget that we are told to make use of a scale of 1:100 for this construction, and that is, we are going to divide each of these dimensions by 100. So let's start. So we are going to draw this horizontal line, and we draw this vertical line. We take these dimensions, and we also take dimensions here on all the dimensions that we have here. We are going to take them. So let's start. So leave a space up here. So I usually position my plan up like this. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line to this side like this, and then I will draw a vertical line. So coming here, I'm going to draw a vertical line from this end, so down like this. Okay, now let's take the dimensions on the horizontal as we have here, that from here to here, so this is 5,000, so that is 50 millimeters. If we divide it by 100, so that will give us 50 millimeters. So take 50 millimeters from this point here like this, so this is 50 millimeters. Next we have 1,500, so that is 15 millimeters each. So this is 15 millimeters here, and we take another 15 millimeters. Next we have 4,000. From here to here is 4,000, so that is 40 millimeters. So from this point we take a measurement of 40 millimeters. And last one is 5,000, that is 50 millimeters. So I need to extend this line a bit to this side, and I will take a measurement of 50 millimeters. So here we have taken the measurement on the horizontal as we have here. So let's come here and take the measurement on the vertical. So from here to here is 4,500, and that is 45 millimeters. So I will come here and take a measurement of 45 millimeters down from this point. This is 45 millimeters. Okay, next we have 1,500 and then 2,000. So we take 15 millimeters down. Don't forget that we are dividing each dimension by 100. So this is 15 millimeters. Then after that I have this to be, this is 2,000, that is 20 millimeters down. Next we now have that from here to here to be 4,000, that is 40 millimeters. So from this point I will take a measurement of 40 millimeters. So here we have 40 millimeters. Okay, so now, so let us draw this line. So we are going to draw this horizontal line. So we draw it to this side like this. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point, okay, to make it a rectangle. So I will draw a vertical line from this point. So this is the vertical line as we have here. Okay, so another thing that I want us to know here is that, so this line that we have 5,000 from here to here is also the same as what we have here, because from here to here also is 5,000. So I can just come here and draw this line as a vertical line to touch this line here. So we draw this down like this. Okay, so we have this. Another thing that I want us to do on this side is for us to bring out all that we have here. So this room, so distance from here to here is 4,500, and then from here to here is 1,500, from here to here is 2,000, and from here down is 4,000. So what I'm going to do, so dimensions that we have on this side is also the same as dimensions that we have on this side here. So let's take note of that. So what I'll just do is that for this one, okay, so where we have this 4,500, I'll just transfer by drawing the line from here to here. And then so for this particular one, where we have this to be 1,500, so I'll just transfer it, so which is 15 millimeters when we divide by 100. And then so for this particular one, which is 2,000, that is 20 millimeters when we divide by 100. So we have this, okay, so we have completed what we see here, so as sketch plan. Okay, we now come to this side here, so looking at what we have here, so so we have to bring out this bedroom, so because this line is not in line with this line here, so this particular line is not in line with this line, so we need to bring out that part. And then before that, I want us to look at dimensions that we have here. So from here to here is 2,000, from here to here is 2,000, okay, to 2,000, from here to here is 2,000, that is distance from here to here. That's why they're telling us that from here to here, sorry, is 2,500, from here to here is 2,500. So while from here to here is 2,000, and don't forget that up here from here to here is 5,000 as we have it here. So what we have to do now, we take 25 millimeters, okay, we take 25 millimeters, so this is 25 millimeters, and we take 20 millimeters, so this is 20 millimeters. So at this point here, I'm going to come up here, so I'll come up here and draw a horizontal line, so forward to this side like this, and then so I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point. So to get this bedroom, so I will draw a vertical line down here like this, okay. So we have this now, okay. The next thing that I'm going to do is this. So where we have this 2,000, so we have a line that goes up from here, touching this one here, okay. Then I'm going to so I'll come here, so I'm going to draw a horizontal line that goes forward like this, and then this 25 millimeters that we have here, I'm going to transfer it. But before that, we need to draw this line as we see it in the plan. So we need to draw this line to touch this, okay. Then now, so for this 25, so I'll just come here. I'm not going to draw the line from here, so the line goes from here to here, okay. It goes from here to here, so we have that, okay. So this is what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about here as we see it here. Other things that we have to put here is that here we have this balcony, we have this water closet and bath. So the dimensions for this part, they are not given to us. So as we are told that we should assume a dimension where it is not specified. So I'm going to take a measurement. So from here to here is 4,500. So I will take this now from here. So I'll make it 30. So I make it 30 millimeters, or 3,000. So that's 30 millimeters. So I'm going to take a measurement here, and then I'm going to draw this line. So draw the line from here to here like this, okay. We have this, okay. All right, so other things that we are going to put here, so here okay, let's draw this line. So at this point, we have taken some measurement here. That is this 15 millimeters that we took. So I'll draw this vertical line. I'll come here and draw this vertical line. So then here we now have what the entrance to the water closet. So we have that distance from here to here is not given to us, but I'm going to take it as I'll take it as 10 millimeters. So just come here. So that is 1,000. So that will be 10 millimeters if you divide by 100. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So from here to here, okay. So just follow me. So the next thing that we are going to do, we come down here to the porch here. So distance from here to here is not given, but what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take it as 1,500. That is 15 millimeters if we divide by 100. So this is 15 millimeters here. So I'm going to draw horizontal line from this point. So I've done it with this point here. All right, so looking at what we have here, so everything that we have as lines here, it has been replicated here. Now let's go for the next thing that we have to do, is to bring out the thickness of the walls. So for the thickness of the walls, we have to look at what we are given as thickness of the walls in the specification. So we come to walls here. So here we are told that all walls 225 concrete hollow blocks, then 15 rendering internal and external. So that is what makes up the thickness of the walls. So the addition of this 225 and this 15, and 225 plus 15, it gives us 240. So it will give us 240. That's what we are going to have. So that 240 we divide it by 100, and that will give us 2.4. To give us 2.4. Okay, so that means the thickness of the wall is 2 millimeters. So let's start to bring out the thickness of the wall. So all these lines that we have drawn here, they represent the external part of the wall. So we just want to bring out the thickness of the wall. Okay, so to bring out the thickness of the wall, so here we have what? I've taken a measurement. So this is an external wall. I have to take 2 millimeters inward. From here, 2 millimeters, just set the ruler like this and take 2 millimeters inward here. This is 2 millimeters. Okay, then I will come up here. So let's start with that of the vertical wall. So this is also 2 millimeters here. So I'm going to join these 2 points together to bring out the thickness of this wall. Okay, so I'll draw this. Okay, so we have brought out the thickness of this wall. Now let's come to this wall here. Let's come to this particular wall. I will take this, I will take it inward here. So 2 millimeters from this point. So we take 2 millimeters inward. This is 2 millimeters. Okay, then coming up here, I will also take a measurement of 2 millimeters. Okay, so then I'm going to join these 2 points together to bring out the thickness of this wall. So it goes like this. Alright, so we have taken this wall. So the next is that we have what? We have this vertical wall here. So we take 2 millimeters in here. Okay, this is 2 millimeters, and then coming up here, I will take 2 millimeters. So just take your time to do this, don't rush. Okay, so here we join these 2 points. So we join them together to have the thickness of this wall. Alright, so we also have this particular wall. So for this wall, I will take the thickness to this side. So I will take 2 millimeters in here. Okay, and coming up here, I will also take 2 millimeters in. This 2 millimeters. So I will join these 2 points together to have the thickness of this wall. So we have this from here to here. Alright, so then we also have this wall. So I will take a measurement that is not in line with this one. So I will take 2 millimeters. Okay, I will take it in here. So 2 millimeters in, this 2 millimeters here. Okay, then coming up here, I will also take 2 millimeters in here. So I'm going to join these 2 points together to bring out the thickness of this wall. So we have this from here to here. Now coming down here for this particular wall, so I will take 2 millimeters. I will take it inside. So this is 2 millimeters, and then coming up here, I will take 2 millimeters in here, and then I will join these 2 points together to bring out the thickness of this wall. So here we have this from here to here. So we have taken this wall. Alright, so then we also have another vertical wall here, which is a very short one. So we take 2 millimeters in, and then coming up here, so we also take 2 millimeters in. So I'm going to connect these 2 points together. So okay, so we have this. So next, so this one, okay, so an external wall, we have to take it in. This is 2 okay, so here we have 2 millimeters inward here. Then coming up here, so we also have 2 millimeters in here. So I'm going to join these 2 points together to have the thickness of this wall. Okay, so here we join these 2 points. So we join them together like this. So we have the thickness of this wall. Okay, so that is for all the vertical walls. So we are going to do the same thing for the horizontal walls, but I'm going to pause the video. So I'll pause the video. So just let me do one. So I'll do one, then I'll pause the video, then we meet after that. So for this particular wall here, so which is an horizontal wall, so we just take 2 millimeters in here. This is 2 millimeters. Okay, then we come to this end here, and we take a measurement of 2 millimeters inward. Okay, so I will join these 2 points, I will join them together to have the thickness of this wall, and it goes like this from here down like this. Okay, so we have taken this wall, so I'm going to replicate the same thing for others, but I will pause the video. Alright, so we have taken all the walls, as you can see it here. So the next thing that we are going to do is to fix either the windows or the doors. So fix either the windows or the doors, but I'm going to fix the doors first. Sorry, the windows first. So I will start with the windows. Okay, so let's go and see the specifications for the windows. Here we have 2 types of windows here. And before we talk about the dimensions, we are told that all glazed louvered in 100 by 50 timber frame, and we have a particular type of window which is denoted or designated with W1. We have 1200 by 900. So the first number here is the width of the window, while this is the height of the window. And we also have W2 600 by 600. Okay, so let's fix the windows. W1 1200 by 900. So we use the width in the plan. So we use the width in the plan. So let's come here. So this is W1 here. We have W1 here. So try as much as possible to centralize the window. So that is 12 millimeters. So I'm going to start from here. So just mark this, and then we take 12 millimeters away. So this is 12 millimeters here. So within this space here, so I'm going to make this. So I'll make this a thick line from here to here. Okay, and then we also make this a thick line from here to here. So within this space, so we are going to make like 2 lines or 2 horizontal lines within this distance between these 2 lines. Okay, I can't. Okay, all right. So we draw from here to here, and then so within this space, so we draw these lines. Okay, so we have fixed that particular window. So here we have W2. Okay, so here we have W2, that is 6 millimeters each. So you take a measurement of 6 millimeters. So from here, so this is, and this is 6 millimeters here. So I'm going to, so we draw a short vertical line within this space, and then so we draw 2 horizontal lines within this space, and then we also have the same thing here, W2. So W2, so we have this from here to here. Okay, so within this space also we draw 2 horizontal lines within this space here, so to fix the windows. So we have fixed these windows. So then we come here, so we also have W1 within this window. So that is 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters here. So all I'm going to do, we draw a short vertical line here, and then so within this space here, so we draw 2 horizontal lines for the windows. Alright, so we have fixed that window. So we also have another W1 here. So we have W1 here. So just take 12 millimeters from here up. So we draw a short horizontal line here. So a short horizontal line. Then we draw 2 vertical lines within this space like this. Okay, so we have this. Alright, so then so we also have what? So coming here at the store, so we have W2 here. At the store here, so we have W2 6 millimeters. So just take 6. So this is 6 millimeters here. So draw horizontal line, a short horizontal line here. Then we have this, and then we are going to. Alright, so we have fixed that window there. So here we have W1, so that is 12 millimeters. That's 12 millimeters. So here we have 12 millimeters. So within this space, we draw a short line like this, and then so we are going to draw 2 lines within this space like this. So we have fixed that window. So that is this W1 that we have here. And again, so here we have W1 in this area, W1 in this area. So coming here, so we take 12 millimeters within this space. Okay, this is 12 millimeters. So alright, so within this space I will draw two horizontal lines within this space. Alright, so we have this. Then around here, so at the porch here, so we have W1, so this is 12 millimeters from here to here. Okay, so I'm going to, alright, so we draw two lines like this within this space, and then we also have another one here, another W1, so we have it here. Okay, 12 millimeters. So we fix this window. So I'm going to draw two lines within this space here. Alright, so we have fixed that window. So we also have one W1 here. So, and then, so we have this. So we are going to fix this window within this space. So draw two lines in this space here. Like this. Okay, so we have fixed the window there. We also have one W1 here, 12 millimeters from here to here is 12 millimeters. Okay, so alright, so within this space we draw two lines for us to fix the window. So we have fixed that window. Then we have what? We have one W1 here, one W2 here. That is 6 millimeters. We take 6 millimeters from here to here. This is 6 millimeters. So we draw this line like this, and then so we draw two lines within this space. Okay, so we also have one W2 here. That is 6 millimeters. So we have this. Alright, so within this space we draw two lines in this space here. Alright, so then we have one W1 here. W1, that is 12 millimeters. You try as much as possible to place the window in the middle of the wall. So you don't have to be looking or measuring for the middle of the wall. So just do it the way I'm doing it here. Alright, so we have fixed this window. So there's one particular window that we have here at the balcony. So let's fix it. So this is where we have the balcony. So that is so that is W1 to be W1. So that is 12 millimeters. So from here, so here we have 12 millimeters. So they didn't write whether it is W1 or W2, but I'm just taking it as W1. That's why I took 12 millimeters as the width of that window. So okay, we have fixed all the windows now. So the next thing that we are going to do is to fix the doors. Now let's fix the doors. As we have here that doors, all doors flush in 150 by 50 timber frame, and we have three different doors here. We have D1 2100 by 1500, and it is 40 panel, okay, by 40 panel door. Okay, that one is panel door. Then we have what we have D2 2100 by 900 by 40 flush door, and D3 is 2100 by 750 by 40 flush door. Okay, so for the specifications that we have here for the door, so this 2100 for the height of the door, while the width of the door is for this one is 1500, this is 900, this is 750. Okay, that's what we have there. So let's go and fix these doors. Okay, we need to come back here. So for D1, so we have its width. We are using the width in the plan. So the width is 1500, and that will be 15 millimeters. So if you look at where it is positioned in the middle of this wall, so I will try as much as possible to get that center point. So here we have, so this is from here to here is 15 millimeters. So we have 15 millimeters from here to here. Okay, so then I'm going to come up here from this point here. So I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters up. So this is 15 millimeters, drawing the vertical line like this. Okay, Then I'm going to join these 2 points. I will join them together like this. So this is the door itself. Okay, so we have that. We have fixed that door. That is this D1, which is a panel door, and that's a width of 15 millimeters. So now the next thing that we are going to do, let's fix this door here to this room, which is D2. So this D2 has a width of 900, so that is 9 millimeters. So I will come here, so I will just draw a line, then 9 millimeters away. So we have this. So I'm going to draw this line. It's a short line here, and then I'm going to draw a line from this point. Okay, so let's open it to this side. So I will draw this line because we have a door here. So I will draw this line, so 9 millimeter up like this. Okay, then I'm going to join these 2 points. I will join them together like this. So we have fixed that door. Then there is a door, so D3, so whose width is 7.5, so that's approximately 8. So I will, from here, I will take 8 millimeters in here. Okay, so it goes into the part. So it goes into the part. Alright, so we have this. So for this, I'm going to draw a line from this point 8 millimeters up like this. Then I will join these 2 points together like this. Okay, so when we open this door, it stays on this side of the wall. Then also, so we also have D3. We have D3 here in this water closet, just like as we have bedroom. We have a bedroom here. We also have a bedroom here. So I will just I'm going to transfer this. So I'll just transfer this. It's also D3. I'll just transfer it from here to here. And come here, I'll also transfer it here. Alright, so then to open it, so I'm going to draw a line. So from here, so I'll draw a line from here, so 8 to this point. Then I'm going to join these 2 points together like this. So this length line is the door. Okay, so also, so coming here, so we have D2 here. So D2 has a width of 9 millimeters. 9 millimeters. So we have D2 here, has a width of 9 millimeters. So this is 9 millimeters here. Okay, so at this point, okay, so this door is to the bedroom. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line from this point 9 millimeters up, and I will join these 2 points together. So join these 2 points together. So we open the door and it rests here. Okay, all right, so I think I should have put it here, but let's leave it. Okay, so then we also have another D2 here. We have D2 here, so that is this door here. So D2, so that is 9 millimeters. So from here, so to here, so this is 9 millimeters. So we have this. So this door, it goes okay, to the balcony. So we can't open it into the balcony, so we want to open it in here. So I'm going to draw a line. So from this point, so 9 millimeters down. Okay, then I'm going to connect these 2 points together so that when we open this door, so when we open this door, it's going to rest on this wall here. Alright, so we have that. So where do we have other doors? So at this point here, so at this point we have a door here, that is D2, that is 9 millimeters. So I'm going to take it from here to here. This is 9 millimeters. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so when I open this door, so I want it to rest on this side. So when I open it, it goes to this side, and then there is a door that goes into the water closet here. So that is D3. That is about 8 millimeters. So I'm going to take 8 millimeters from here. So this is 8 millimeters here. So we draw this as a short vertical line. So then I want us to open it to this side. Okay, so this is 8. So just draw like this. So when we open it, it rests on this wall. Alright, so we are moving on. So and then so we have D3, we have D3 here, D2 here, D3 here, D2 here. So we have about 4 more doors to fix within this area. So for this water closet and bath, so we have D3. So we are going to so this is about 8 millimeters. So I'll draw this line and this line. Okay, so then for this, so I'm going to draw this line, so up to this level. Then I will join these 2 points together so that when we open this door, it rests on this wall. Okay, then we also have D2 here, that is 9 millimeters. So from here to here is 9 millimeters. So this door, it goes into this room. Okay, it goes into this room. So I'll just come here. So draw this line up by 9. Okay, then I will connect these 2 points together so that when I open this wall, this door, it will rest on this wall. And then, so we also have another door here, D2 at this point. Okay, so we still have another, okay, sorry, this particular place, this is not a window, it's a door. It's a door here. There's a door here. So this window, we have it in the store. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, so I'll fix it. So D2, so that is 9. So 9 millimeters here. So this is 9 millimeters. Okay. So so I'm going to draw a line. So from this point, so it come up like this. Okay. So then I will join these 2 points together so that when I open this door, it will rest on this wall here. It will rest on this wall. Okay, then we have a door into the store. So that is D2, a door into the store. That is D2, that is 9 millimeters. So here we have from here to here is 9. So we draw from here to here. Alright, so then okay, so let's draw. So draw a horizontal line from here up. Okay, so then I will join these 2 points together so that when I open this door, it will rest here. Okay, so we have a door here. What we have is a door that is 9 mm long. Okay, the width is 9 mm. So here we have from here to here. This is 9 mm. So I'm going to draw this. Okay. Alright, so then I will draw this line. Okay, then I will join this together with this point. So then there's a window that we have here which is D2, W2. So W2 has a width of that is 6. So in this store here, so 6 millimeters in this store. So we have it here. Alright, so we have fixed this window. All the doors have been fixed, as you can see it here. We have fixed all the windows and all the doors have also been fixed. Alright, now that we have fixed the windows and the doors, so what we have to do is to bring out the thickness of the walls as I've done here. Okay, then the next thing that we are going to do after that is to write what we see here: the bedroom, store, kitchen. So here we have kitchen, not a bedroom. So this was a mistake. So this is a kitchen, and then we have living room, dining, porch, bedroom, water closet and bath, water closet and bath, bedroom, balcony, water closet and bath. We need to put all this there. Then finally, so we need to put the east projection. So what is the east projection? East projection is the distance between the outer wall and the end of the ceiling. And east projection here, as given under the roof, is okay. East projection, I can't see it here. I'm looking for it here. I can't see it. So since we are asked to assume a suitable dimensions, where it is unspecified. So I'm going to take the east projection as 600, so that's going to be 6 millimeters. So what we are going to do to produce the east projection around this building is this. So what we are going to do, so we are going to extend this horizontal line, so to these two sides. Okay, so we extend this also, then we come here, we also extend this horizontal line, we extend to this side, and then so for the vertical, so we are going to extend this vertical line, so this vertical line here, so we take it up and down, so we extend it up and we extend it down, so we take it down here and we take it up here. Okay, so we have this, and then I'll come to this side and do the same thing. So we take this vertical line up and we take it down here. All right, so I'll now take a measurement of 6 millimeters. So from here, so this is 6 millimeters here. Okay, then I will come here and take a measurement of 6 millimeters here. So, and then here also I will take a measurement of 6 millimeters down. This is 6 millimeters. And then so we also have from here, this is 6 millimeters. Okay, so here is 6 millimeters. So for this, so we are going to draw okay, so here we draw horizontal line like this. Okay, then coming up here, we also draw horizontal line from this point to this side, and then so from this point we draw a vertical line. Okay, so but for this vertical line I can go on and make it short dashes line. So we usually draw the east projection with short dashes line, because that edge of the ceiling cannot be seen when we are looking at the building from the top. So we only see the roof, so it will have covered that edge of the ceiling. So we need to make it short dashes line because it is hidden from us. So on this side I will do the same thing. So with this 6 millimeters, so I'm going to draw short dashes line. So within this space here, short dashes line, that is for the east projection. Okay, as I said, east projection is the distance between the wall and the end of the ceiling. Okay, so we also make this one, we make it short dashes line. So as I'm going to do it here, to make it short dashes line, so it goes like this. Okay, alright, so I still need to explain some things here. So we have beams within this wall, so we have beams, so and I've drawn the beams. So and then we also have columns, which I'm here to draw, but I will do that before we end this video. So coming up here, so we also make this short dashes line for the east projection. For the east projection, that is the distance between the end of the ceiling and the wall. Okay, that is the external wall. Okay, so we have this. Alright, so we put east projection here, so that is it. So the next thing that we are going to do is that so the beams, so the beam, so here we have in the porch here, we have the beam, so this is the beam. Okay, so it is drawn with short dashes line, so we have it like this. We also have a beam here, at this point here, we also have a beam here, so this is the beam, and at the back one here, so we have a beam, so this is it, so we have to put it there. Then we also have columns. So here we have a column here, we have a column here, we have a column here. So this column we have to put them, and it will be within this this wall. So this column at this point, so we make it 2 millimeters, so we draw it here. So this is the column here at this point, and then so in the middle here we have one column here. So just take a measurement of 2 millimeters within this space. So this is 2 millimeters. So it's a square column. So I'll just put it here like this. Okay, and then coming here, so we also take a measurement of 2 millimeters in, and then we bring out the column within this space here. Alright, so then the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we need to write down here, so the sketch plan, so write the sketch plan or floor plan, then write the scale that is given to you. Very important. So once you are done with that, you have completed this work. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless. Let's meet on the front elevation. As I said that I'm going to draw the front elevation, though we are not asked to draw the front elevation, but I want us to see the shape of the front elevation. Thank you and God bless you.